Welcome, English learners. In today's video, we're bringing you something powerful, a real editorial from Dawn News packed with high-level English used by professionals, journalists, and thinkers. But don't worry, I've made it easy for you. To learn effectively, follow this method step by step. 1. First, listen to the voice over 2 or 3 times. Just listen, don't worry about understanding everything. 2. Next, go to the description and read the full Urdu translation carefully. This will help you understand the message and the flow. 3. Then, check the meanings of difficult words, also provided in the description. 4. After that, listen to the voice over again, now it will make much more sense. 5. Finally, answer the questions given at the end. This will test your understanding and help you think in English. This activity will not only improve your listening and comprehension, but it will also take your spoken English and vocabulary to a much higher level. And as a bonus, you'll also increase your general knowledge, because this is real-world content, not textbook English. So get ready, learn with focus, and speak with confidence. Let's begin.
The Pakistan Super League is back on. Postponed last week following escalating Pakistan-India tensions, the remaining 8 matches of the season will be played from May 17, with the final to be contested 8 days later. The dates were announced by Pakistan Cricket Board Chairman Mohsen Naqvi after a U.S. brokered ceasefire agreement was reached with India over the weekend. The resumption of the glitzy T20 tournament follows that of the Indian Premier League across the border, which was also suspended, and will provide the nation an outlet following days of tension. The PSL, the PCB's financial lifeline and a primetime national attraction, had been targeted by India, with one of its drones crashing outside the Rawalpindi Cricket Stadium hours before a match was to be played there last week. Keeping in view the security situation and the well-being of the foreign players, the PCB hastily, and perhaps due to lack of better judgment, announced it would shift the tournament to the UAE. But with the country on the brink of war at the time, course correction came when Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif rightly ordered that the remainder of the competition be postponed until the situation improved. The move to postpone PSL, however, came after Board of Control for Cricket in India decided to suspend the IPL, stating that the nation took precedent over cricket, with reports across the border suggesting that the BCCI had asked its UAE counterparts to not allow the PCB to host the matches on its grounds. There were also reports across the border that the foreign players who had left Pakistan on a chartered flight after the PSL was postponed had said they would never come back to the country. None of that has happened. The foreign players are returning, including the Australians, who have been reported as being skeptical about it, and the PSL, the country's favorite pastime, is set for a grandstand finish.